Jesus Christ, dude.
Just not it.
Game for now.
Poop.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, let's go
Okay.
then. We're starting.
Let's go then,
starting.
gamers. Let's go.
Let's do this
That's
shit.
awesome.
Today, I'm going to be playing zombies with my two bros.
Yeah, I'm your bro.
Die Maschine.
Die Maschine.
Maschine.
Yeah, Keanu, you know German. Dude, you know German.
Yeah.
You could translate our shit for us.
Yeah,
I couldn't do German, but I could do Scottish. That's a terrible attempt. at Scottish,
Oh, mate,
you know
I
what
could do
mean?
British, mate. Welcome to Bottom
I can do-
Gear. Today on Bottom Gear, Spaz attack plays zombies with his two retarded friends.
Welcome to Bottom Gear. But today we're playing Bottom Gear.
The game. Bottom gear.
Welcome to Bottom Gear. Today, we're going to...
Yes, we're going to.
Welcome to Bottom Gear. Today,
Double.
Hammond crashes a car into a wall and dies. And I drink straight
Avoid.
petroleum.
On Arby's, our food keeps blowing up.
All our food keeps blowing up.
I use my fist. I'm gonna pack a punch my fist.
Yes, fists.
Wait, you can pack a bunch of fists. I forgot about that.
Yes.
Wait, you can?
Beating all these zombies with my fists is good practice for beating my wife and kids.
Except they're Nazis, so it's like not as cool.
Except that they're
It's not
Nazis,
cash.
so they kind of deserve to get beat.
No. They're just not as cash money as being your wife and children.
That's true. Let me do a quick little math equation here. Wife and kids less than Nazis.
Okay, can somebody come up on the other door and Spaz?
Okay,
Funny
fine,
Spaz.
fine, I'll do it,
You have the most points. You're a funny Russian man. Upstairs.
No.
Build the fucking barrier.
I'm not Russian. I'm the fucking I'm the Cuban guy, I think. The guy who was Spanish. Bastards already took my spare change.
Okay.
Alright, I forgot it's to go.
Oh god, it took the fucking stairs.
Was them or me?
I like how that way that zombie
Oh, I'm
fell,
breaking
he just kind of
decision.
fell
Ouch.
backwards.
Oh, I didn't mean to help in the
Spaz
fucking
with the
box.
spaz, who we gonna shoot?
Okay, but I'll take that though.
I need some juggernaut.
Swag moment.
I need some juggernaut.
I really want to try to get a ray gun again this
Wham.
game.
Ray
So I
gun.
can just win. I want to try to get one again so I can just win the game.
I remember one time I got a purple spaz from the box. That was so pog.
Dead man down.
That sounds pretty puggish.
Yeah. You remember this one Twitter poll where the girl said, "Do you use poggers? And if you do, you're racist."
How is that racist?
Why does everything have to be racist for fucking retards on Twitter? Like the girl with the hair in Animal Crossing.
Oh,
How
yeah.
is that fucking racist?
Hey, remember that
Use
time that
that
Vita
moment.
tried to make us play Animal Crossing vegan though?
Yeah, I remember that. I remember they went to the museum, like, trying to stage a fake protest, even though the museum had fish in it, so they had to have catfish for that. And so
Alright,
they would
Nico,
just...
can you... Oh,
fucking-
never mind, you opened the door already. Never mind.
Yeah, I
was
opened-
about to complain.
The door was already open. You just gotta go
I
to
was
the
about
facility.
to complain.
Doors opening on their own. We're just gonna pretend that's not even a bit ominous.
Shut up, a stupid British woman.
Yeah, British person. British people aren't people.
Fucking British bitch. I got
Oh, what the?
I got a barrel for the fucking gun.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, can you open the thing? I want to try to get pack punch so I don't have
This zombie's just in the corner. Look at this zombie.
He's so retarded.
He's just a retard. Yeah, he's still
Hey,
doing
guys.
it. Look at him. Look at this guy.
We're commands.
He's running into the corner. He's not even paying attention to me at all. He's just sitting there.
Hey man, you good?
You good,
My
man?
man.
Are you good?
I'm gonna taunt you.
Honestly,
Say stuff.
honestly, life.
How's everything going? Hello there.
Alright,
Drop a douchebag.
Drop it, douchebag, before I drop
You
you.
brought a body bag.
Oh, you guys can destroy the purple crystals and drop stuff.
Yeah, I know that.
Pog.
I definitely didn't only just find that out yesterday.
I
Really?
found it out over TikTok.
I definitely
On
didn't.
TikTok, bro? You have TikTok? That's cringe.
Cringe
I'm just over for cosplays, to be honest.
Wait, what? What are you
Yeah,
doing
the
at?
speed cola machine. The speed cola machine. The fucking soda cans are floating. That's actually fucking sick,
Cool.
They do be floating though.
dude. That's
I
actually
probably
fucking
can't.
dope.
I probably can't tell because most of the textures for me are just made out of fucking Play-Doh.
Can your computer not handle this game?
Like it can, but it still plays. But it's just that sometimes the textures are just so bad, dude. Guys, come up here. There's a piece of armor for you.
Oh, I need to buy armor. That's right.
Well, there's free armor right here,
Where? Upstairs?
right where I am, upstairs where the portal is.
All right. I'm coming. Oh,
Yeah,
what
there,
the fuck?
there.
Oh, what the dog doing?
And you just start watching virtual YouTubers. Oh, what the? Why did it
Virgin
tab out?
YouTubers,
No, virtual.
virtual tubers, VTubers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh hell yeah, dude. Hey, I like Roni.
Oh, I shot the fucking dog.
Fire
she's
in the
done.
water. Why?
Water in the fire. Why?
Why do we
Confusion.
know all that fucking video? Why? What is wrong with us?
Bonus points. Mega cock.
Bruh.
I don't want to fight Mega Cock.
Who ran a teddy bear? You fucking retarded retard.
Not me.
Ugh. Mega Cock.
Insta.
Stop. Oh,
Oh, that
Okay, I might actually die.
can pack a spells.
Peck a swells. Peck a swells. It's not a peck of punch, it's a peck of swells.
Swells, huh? Funny swells.
Funny swells. I'm gonna go hit the box.
Why is
Did
the...
you see that?
There we go.
The chemical reaction occurring to that fungus.
The fungus? I'm a British. I don't say mushroom, I say fungus.
I'm British.
I'm
Just
British.
stupid Americans.
Stupid American
threw all the tea in the ocean.
Down you go, all of you. I'm British.
Dirty girl, I just nutted all over you.
I'm just coming.
Oh,
We
wow.
don't say came, we say
I just
come.
we say ejaculated, because we're British, very articulate. I noted. I
I
blasted.
noted.
Blasted my
Blasted.
cumula.
My
I
semen.
ejaculated my semen.
I'm blasting my cum over her, like. Parfum. Connie? Hello, Connie.
I hit it.
Alright, some
You
quick
wanna hit the box?
revive.
You're gonna get a fucking teddy bear, mate. You're gonna get a ability
Yeah, tastes like fermented hair and cat piss.
Bruh.
like fermented hair and cat piss. My name's Dempsey.
Ooh,
Yeah,
yes.
my name is
I'll
Tank
take-
Tipsy. I don't like.
I'll take that
Yeah,
as 60.
I like Juggernaut because it reminds me of the taste of pussy.
Dies of laugh. Dies of lol. Dies of
from
life
cringe.
funny.
Dies from cringe.
The front.
I'm gonna teddy bear, guys. Ready?
Eye funny reaction.
This is a certified hood classic.
Fuck off.
This is a certified hood.
Just gonna
This is a certified.
hook a whole ass magnum to kill this bitch, though.
What the?
I got a ray gun!
Oh,
Let's fucking go. I win. Cool. I get to win the game again.
I'm
I
gonna
can
go
protect
and
you
get
all.
the die locator now, and then we could train.
Anomaly
and spawn.
detected.
Yes.
Scanning for decompressive isotopic estrangement machine. Yes.
Scanning for funny swags.
Scanning for funny memes.
Funny
Me
sauce
not
found.
found.
Scanning for retards. Retard in immediate vicinity.
Oh, wow, damn, dude. That's kind of crazy.
Don't know, so.
Alright, well, I'm. Oh, is there another fucking big man?
Oh shit, it's loaded. All right.
Oh, is it free down like that?
Yeah, it's loaded,
Oh.
dude. It's loaded. All right, that's mine.
Oh, okay.
If it didn't do
Okay.
the glitch where it disappears.
Oh, I need my healing zone. So right now, this is not good. Okay.
Oh, I'll get you.
I'm still regenerating. What? Oh, not anymore.
I got it. 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 Kill him. Shoot it. Shoot it. Kill them all. Okay,
Do you think
I get
Nathan
you.
knew they were the baddie?
Yes.
I'll protect you.
That was awesome.
Woo!
Die.
Bye.
I don't really need Deadshot with a ray gun, do I?
I don't think so.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, I can do headshot damage. Oh,
Oh.
Fuck me.
I'm
Dude.
coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Do it in a second. Hold on.
Get me.
I'm trying. There's so many fucking zombies, dude.
I'm gonna lose my.
No, don't pull.
Wait, it's okay,
no.
I got you. No.
Ah! Damn.
Johan did it.
Oh, hey, fire skill,
Oh.
perfect time.
Yeah, go. Go. Just go. Oh, and you have 16,000 points.
Oh, hey, purple how? Purple shotgun. Okay, well, that's a bit better. I'm a little bit happy now.
I got the rifle I have right now, but legendary
Purple
now.
rocket launcher, bro.
Bro, that's sick. Nice.
It's not the RPG, but still.
RPGs. I think that's actually better than that one.
Other one. Who even knows what the other one is?
Oh, the fuck. The Sigma too?
Yeah, the Sigma 2, yeah. Whatever the fuck that is.
Sigma nuts.
Should probably
No.
back.
Where the zombies?
What the dog doing?
Here we go. Orion 777. It's me, Lord Minion 777.
Shut the fuck up. I know what you're doing. I fucking love that video.
Yeah, dude.
It's me, Lord Minion 777.
It's me, the real Lord Minion. I'm Lord Minion.
It's me, the real Lord Minion 777.
Oh, he's on fire.
Oh my god, dude.
How is that, like, helpful at all?
Dude,
Wait.
I actually had to make a fucking YouTube channel.
Well, you could feature on mine, you know.
Dead man down.
Hell yeah. I have 3 stims, let's fucking go.
Yeah, heroin addiction.
Heroin, I love me some good heroin in the morning.
Long.
Oh shit, I lost all my armor. Alright, well, never mind, I got armor back.
How do I replenish armor?
Okay, so yeah, for an example of how shit my computer is, if you can see my screen, this is what the Wonderfizz screen looks like. Why do they always give us like these fat ass scopes from the weapons? They shouldn't even be allowed in zombies.
Purple.
I just want to get the
Purple
heavy.
RPG, okay, I'm good. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can upgrade to tier 5 and I'll be good.
Whacked.
Alright, come here, tier 4 RPG. I got a tier 4.
I'm just a nigga with a rocket launcher.
I just called the fucking big guy a loser.
Good.
Oh shit. Big guy.
Kill him, please.
There, I got like a whole bunch.
Nice.
A bunch of C4s all over the place. I love C4s.
Look at this monkey.
Oh, there goes all my ammo.
Moaning shitbag KIA. Very edgy.
Shitbag KIA.
It's very edgy. Can we keep one alive? Because I need to pack a punch.
I need a max ammo.
Oh, oh yeah. That was a fat C4 kill. That was a fat C4.
What did I do? Butter dog.
I fucking hate the butter dog game.
Butter dog. Dog with a butter dog.
It's just a bootleg pepperoni, a salami lid.
There's a
Pretty much, yeah.
Salami lid. Ain't gonna
cum-
fit. It's the salami
cum
lid.
dog.
The salami lid.
Yo, cum dog with the cum on it.
That's I don't like that.
Very erotic.
Also sounds much like a furry thing.
I have no idea.
Sounds a lot like something a furry would say.
Oh yeah, that was a fat
Uh,
energy mine.
Got our next fill options.
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Do it. F1. Alright, let's run. Let's run.
I'm just gonna throw my 2 monkeys and then
Chopper
start
inbound
my
for extraction.
chopper
Get to
gunner.
the LZ before the
Alright,
window
I'm at the
closes.
place.
I'm at the LZ.
Come on, Connie.
One
We haven't even
monkey.
had
Proceeding
We're
with
good.
next
Let's go.
How do I get out of this?
It should be fine. Yes, we did it.
You did it. We gamed.
You did good,
Yeah.
Lord team.
Pog, 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 pog.
Plan our next move.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh my god, dude. I can upgrade stamina now. Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go.
That was something.
Did you know